I want to give you an overview, a quick overview of some of the powerful marketplaces where you can become an affiliate of. The first one is Share a Sale here at shareasale.com. You can create an account here. You add account.shareasale.com/newsandad.cfm. Here you can create an account and then you get approved in 24 hours or whatever. And you can start promoting. Here you get some information, terms of use, and so on. You can be an affiliate or a merchant. The same is for cj.com. Here it's also a great place where to go. CJ, you can promote products like Camtasia as well, like the tool I'm using for recording my videos. And another powerful place is Rakuten. At Rakuten.com you can join the affiliate program, and again you get also good commission. This is also very good if you want to promote on Udemy. If you go to udemy.com and you look for the affiliate program, you go to the Rakuten program as well.